Hello collectors, today is day 20. Let's get to it. Let's see what we get out of this. Oh, Journey Together fun pack. Okay, fair enough. Journey Together fun pack. Let's see if it will help the binder. Please be a good hit. Something big. Something big. Lumberry. Rovet. Cufant reverse. So. Oh. Let's do double Journey Together. Journey Together pack. With the Journey Together little fun pack. Perfect. Perfectly matches up. Who would have guessed? So there's the QR code, guys. One from the back. Basic Energy. And Clink. Lotad. Nimble. Lavatar. Pangoro. Grimmsnarl. Ends PP up. Shelgon reverse. Billy and Onair reverse. And Reshiram Ram Hollow. Okay, let me get the sleeves. You got the sleeves? Let's get the binder. Binder. Journey Together binder. Now, sort this through. Set it up right. So we just pop them all into place. Give me a sec, guys. Nine. And as we go, I'll add on sleeves as we go. So first up is holy moly. First up is Nimble. Let's see, get the binder just right. There we go, better view. Nimble, number 19. Nimble we already have. Next up it's Lotad, number 35. Lotad we have. Lumberry we already have. Grimmsnarl, number 73. We already have. Larvitar, we already have. Wow, this is okay. Oh, we already got Pangoro. I'm getting a little worried. Clink, we already have. Oh, we did need Cufant. So we got the reverse Cufant going in. Cufant's in. That's one. out of 13. Oh, shell gone. We do need reverse. Perfect. Two. Restaurant we don't need. So just a basic sleeve for that one. Oh, shucks. If only it was the reverse. That's okay. Still more to go. Number 31, 131. We already have. Okay. Billy and Onair. Reverse we already have. Okay. Wow. Not looking so good. Ends PP up. We already have. So now.
Oh, it's a Nuggle time. There's only a few days left of this
Basic
New Year.
energy
Oh.
that we don't need.
Nuggle. Did you miss me, everyone? Oh, Nuggle. I'll tell you what. Get out of David what he's getting me for this big item coming home. If you get it, I'll give you guys presents.
Don't fall for it.
If you guys...
We can't afford to do
I'll
that.
give you all of David's Pokemon collection.
No.
If you tell me what you got for Christmas, I'll give
Don't
you,
fall for it, guys.
I'll give you my email.
She's trying hard to find out a Christmas present.
Or my Instagram.
Don't fall for it.
Don't worry, guys. I got you. So, David, I will jump on here and do my own video. And I'll show you what's up for cool.
Hey, don't.
Did you even show him what I made you?
Not yet. I still gotta fix it.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
Sharp edges.
Harsh.
She made a table. Pokemon table. Just gotta fix it. But it's awesome. I can't wait to show you guys.
Bro,
But
either can
thank you guys for everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you keep coming back. So from Treasure Tracker to you guys, have a great day. Have some fun and please enjoy yourself.
And have a happy holidays. Like
And a happy holiday.
happy holidays.
Happy holiday. She meant happy. But thank you guys for everything.
Nuggle.
Bye guys.